Hey everyone, it's Bobo here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to give you a hotel tour at this hotel. It's called Wina Holiday Villa. Without further ado, let's go. So I'm gonna walk down to the lobby area. Hello everybody.
Hello.
How are you doing everybody? So this is the lobby area. And this is the front desk. Well, the lobby seems so busy today. I can see there's so many Aussies around here. And on this side of the year, you can find beautiful couch and very nice color pillows, white table, a large mirror, so beautiful. Hello, what's up? You staying here?
Yeah.
How's the stay so far?
Hey?
How was your stay?
Oh, I'm checking in, waiting for my friends.
All right.
Yes. Looks beautiful.
Enjoy. Where you from?
Aussie.
Aussie. G'day.
You know, mate?
Cheers.
Yes.
All right. Let's look around. We'll show you the swimming pool. And then later on, we'll show you the room as well. And there are more sitting area on this side here. Looks so cozy. I like the couch or chair color. It's so pink. And there's so many beautiful wood carving here on the wall. Really good job. Beautiful sculpture around. And they got aquarium with some fish. And they got fish pond there as well. Very nice water fountains. Oh wow, this is really beautiful. And there's the swimming pool. There's so many sunbeds around there. And this other room, like 3 stories. Hello, how are you?
Hi, good, thanks.
You staying here?
Yep.
Was it good?
Yeah, it's our first night, so
First night.
we're here for almost 2 weeks.
Almost 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Wow. Where are you from?
Perth.
Perth.
Yeah.
Is this your first time here?
This hotel, yes.
This hotel.
First time for all the kids.
Ah, first
So
time.
we're doing a big family. That's why the whole family was here.
Yeah, big family.
That's it.
All right.
Have a good day.
You too.
Let's go.
All right. Let's check out. So this is the swimming pool. Very nice. And there is a restaurant over there. Well, I'm gonna show you the room. I'm gonna show you 2 different rooms. Let's go. Right, this is the first room I want to show you. This room is called Deluxe. And this is the front door. Wow. You can find twin bed in here. And let's take a walk inside. 1 nightstand right in the middle. And there is a painting here on the wall. And to my left over here is a big window. And then let's take a look at this side over here. This is a table with some electric kettle, 2 cups, 2 mineral waters, and this is a flat screen TV, beautiful lamps, and there's some storage in here. Let me open this, check this out. Well, this is a fridge, And this is a drawer. Let me open the drawer. Nothing inside. And this is one small chair. And this is some storage as well. And this must be some storage for your suitcases, trash can. And then over here is the closet. Let me open the closet. While the closet is open, you can find one pillow and then safety box. And take a look at the bathroom. This is the bathroom, and this bathroom has sliding door. This is how to close it, very easy. Then let me close the door. The door is open. We'll walk on the bathroom, and you can find here some soap, shampoo, toothbrush, mirror in here. And this is the faucet, towel rack, and this is the shower. You can find here bathtub. This is the bathtub. Where's the toilet? Let me find the toilet, and this is the toilet, sit-up toilet. Toilet paper out there. Let me close this again, and I'm gonna show you again the room for the last time. So this room is next to the swimming pool as well. Let's take a walk outside. And this is the outdoor space. You can find 2 chairs, 1 round table, and the swimming pool is just steps away. And let's go to the next room. Well, this room is called Deluxe Full Terrace. This is the entryway to the room. I'll show this first. 2 chairs with beautiful couch, nice round table. We'll walk in the room. The door is open. So I'm standing here in the door. That is the bed. Very nice, beautiful sheet. There are 6 pillows altogether. And then 2 nightstands. Beautiful painting over there on the wall. And you can find there 2 wooden chairs and round table. This is the window, closed by a double curtain. And there is a beautiful lamp on the ceiling over there. Wooden ceilings as well. Then to my left over here is long desk. This is the desk. And then a mirror over here. And flat screen TV. And right here in the middle there is some storage and drawer. This is a remote for a TV or air conditioner. You can find there 2 glasses of mineral water, 2 cups, tea, sachet, electric kettle tray, fork and spoon. And let me open this one, check it out. There is a small fridge in here, and this is just some storages, and as well as this one. And this is the closet. Let's check out the closet. This closet has sliding door. Let me open the closet. Ta-da! And there is a safety box in here. Some storage again. And let me show you the room from here. This is the room. The room is in front of, next to the swimming pool. And this is the bathroom. Let me open the door. The door is open, and welcome to the bathroom. There is a single sink here. You can find 2 glass, mirror, And over here is a rain shower. And towel rack in there. So this is the bathroom. It's not so large. Let me close the door again. And there is another door here. And this is for toilets. Let me open the door. The door is open, and this is the toilet with one hose. So it's really narrow. Let me close it again. Well, this is it about this room, and I want to say thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care, and don't forget to keep smiling.